Hey there, fellow survivalists. Welcome back to the Prepped Daddy channel, where we make sure you're ready for anything. I'm your host, Prepped Daddy, and today is day 6 of our food procurement week. Today's topic is cooking in the wild. Cooking in a survival situation can be challenging, but with the right techniques, you can turn basic ingredients into delicious meals. Let's get cooking. 1. Essential cooking gear. First, let's talk about essential cooking gear you should have in a survival kit. Portable stove, useful for quick and efficient cooking. Cookware, a lightweight pot and pan. Utensils, spoon, fork, and knife. Fire starter, matches, lighter, or fire steel. Mess kit, lightweight and compact for easy carrying. 2. Building a cooking fire. Building a proper cooking fire is crucial. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose the right spot. Find a safe, clear area. Gather materials. Collect tinder, kindling, and firewood. Fire layout. Use a teepee or log cabin layout. Ignite. Light the tinder and slowly add kindling and firewood. 3. Cooking techniques. There are several cooking techniques you can use in the wild. 1. Grilling. Method. Use a grill grate over the fire. Best for meat, fish, and vegetables. 2. Boiling. Method. Use a pot to boil water and cook food. Best for soups, stews, and pasta. 3. Roasting. Method. Skewer food and hold it over the fire. Best for meat and root vegetables. 4. Baking. Method. Use hot stones or a makeshift oven. Best for bread and cakes. 4. Wild recipes. Now let's cook a simple and delicious wild recipe. Campfire stew. Ingredients: meat, rabbit or squirrel. Vegetables: wild onions, carrots, and potatoes. Herbs: wild garlic, thyme, and rosemary. Water: enough to cover the ingredients. Salt and pepper. To taste. Instructions: prepare ingredients. Clean and cut the meat and vegetables. Build fire. Use a teepee layout for steady heat. Boil water. In a pot, bring water to a boil. Add ingredients. Add meat, vegetables, and herbs to the pot. Cook. Let it simmer for 1-2 hours, adding water as needed. Season. Add salt and pepper to taste. This campfire stew is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Now let's get interactive with some asks and tasks for you. Asks. 1. What's your favorite wild cooking recipe? Share in the comments. 2. Have you ever cooked in the wild? Tell us about your experience. 3. What's the most challenging part of cooking in the wild for you? Let us know. Tasks. 1. Try cooking a simple meal over a campfire in your backyard. 2. Experiment with different wild herbs and spices in your cooking. 3. Research the best methods for cooking in your local environment. Remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our survival tips. Leave a comment below with your wild cooking experiences or any questions you have. I'm here to help. Until then, stay safe, stay sharp, and stay prepped.